Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your engine oil life. So say you just uh, got your oil changed and your car keeps track of your mileage till the next one. It might prompt you for an oil change in one of these. This will show you how to reset it. So we'll start the vehicle and wait just a few moments for all the screen to upload, at which point we're going to hit this info button and then maintenance. And then from here you should see engine oil. And then here you can see your settings for how often you want reminders. You can edit this to whatever you'd like it to say. If you don't want 3,000, that's what's here already. That's pretty standard. You might want to go to like 5, 6. Some oils are like up to 8, 9,000. Better safe than sorry. But then you can reset it here. As you can see, it was already reset to 3,000 on this, but yes, so reset. That's it. So it says remaining, so you'll have another 3,000 until it prompts again for reminders to get your oil change. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.